Yes, why are we discussing food? I'll feel hungry. Stop doing that. Chicken tikka masala. Wow. And there's chicken biryani also. But why is there chicken biryani? Hello and welcome everybody to the life skill session.
Ma'am, Ibrahim is saying everyone to Yahya, ke, are you ready for the chicken biryani? He's saying like that.
Why chicken? Bakra Eid just went. You should eat mutton and the kebabs. Yeah, no? How have you been? So I realized I logged in 5 minutes prior, like I usually do, and your business studies were still going on. All of you are gonna become big entrepreneurs, I assume. Yeah. You had a guest speaker.
Yes.
Yes.
Ruzda is still chomping on her chicken biryani or kebab, whatever she's having. Okay, Ibrahim, you don't have to make me feel jealous by saying that you had a platter yesterday. Okay, don't discuss. If you do not want to share, do not discuss. That's what I want to tell you. Anyway,
Ibrahim, sharing is caring.
see, Yaya always so generous and humble. That is why I like Yaya. Okay, so um, remember I gave you some assignment for life skills. You had to draw Mona Lisa. Don't worry, I'm not going to catch you for that. No, that's completely fine. I'm not going to catch you for that. Don't worry. Don't make those faces. It's a shock wale faces mat banao. It's completely okay. But I would really, really want these two stars of my class. I will take their names and I'll show you. I will show you their drawings too. Inshallah, they did it. In spite of whatever reasons it was, there were only two people who turned in the assignment, and I really appreciate that. So, Golden Sparrow, are you
Ma'am, can,
Dowser or Juveria?
ma'am, can you show the painting also, means drawing also?
Yes, of course. I have specially put it in my PowerPoints. I just couldn't let it go. Golden Sparrow, do I have you?
Ma'am,
Ah,
my big brother was asking who did the best one.
who did the best one? I don't decide who do the best one. You guys decide. So I'll just show you. Or should we wait? Okay. Juveria, are you in Juveria? Just call somebody and ask them to make me the host, please. I can start without being a host as well. All right. And apart from the two students from my class, there were other three students who attempted making Mona Lisa. All right. Let's first see the three students drawing and then we'll see the two students drawing. Are you ready for it? Everybody give me a thumbs up if you're ready. Go. Awesome. Hi, Anas. Oh God, the platter has become a plaster now. Can we stop there? Yes, can we give chat a little break? Here it is. You see? These are three students who attempted. Yes, Hamza, I know, right? It's so funny.
Is there Alfia ma'am's pictures?
Yes, sir. The fat one. All right. So these are the students who attempted making Mona Lisa. Tell me what's wrong. Tell me what is wrong with these pictures.
It's
Yeah, go ahead.
feeling sad.
Umar, taking from you, the first one is a sad Mona Lisa. That's right.
Yes.
And the second one is very moti.
Yeah. You should have refined it a little. The second one is very naughty. Okay. Yes, Hamza.
And then the third picture is no.
It is very broad, ma'am.
All right, broad. Oh, Ibrahim has refined.
Broad
Can we follow
face.
the obese Mona Lisa? Oh my God, who is this Shah Rukh Khan? No, not Shah Rukh Khan. This is Dabang ka Salman Khan. Humaira Qasim. Awesome glares, yaar. Wow. Even I want one. That's amazing. MashaAllah, so good. It's good to see you all. Yes, Hamza, what do you think? The second Mona Lisa is from our party, right? Abdul?
Yeah. She's the last generation of.
Ma'am, who made these paintings?
The last generation. Okay. Some 3 students I found on internet. All right. They attempted making Mona Lisa. Okay. Aisha Kazi. Not my students. Don't worry. My students did a better job. Anyway, so the first one is a sad Mona Lisa, as we can see. The second one we can call her Novi's Mona Lisa. Then third doesn't seem like Mona Lisa, but she gives the look of a country girl, somebody from the rurals. Don't you think? An English country.
Her hair is curly.
Her hair is curly, right? Mona Lisa, the original one, also has wavy hair, but not exactly with the heavy curls. And now my students Mona Lisa. This is what my students attempted when they drew Mona Lisa, and it's perfect. If you ask me, it's perfect. Really, the pain that they took, or for that matter, they actually attempted making one. The participation, that thought of doing it, is what is very dear to me. Okay, and it's brilliant. It's brilliant. So this is Yahiya's Mona Lisa, and this is Hamza's Mona Lisa. The name is written. Hamza, you tell me, did you draw this Mona Lisa?
Yes, ma'am. I only draw this.
You drew it? Okay, fine. I'll take that. Okay, Hamza. Now,
Ma'am, the first one looks like a nun, maybe.
Henna, it reminded me of a nun. That's right, Ibrahim. But yes, I like her. She's good.
But I appreciate Yahya. He just drawn it.
We should definitely appreciate. Yes, I agree with you, Ibrahim.
Ma'am, Ibrahim,
Ibrahim Umar was looking forward for your drawing, Ibrahim. Why didn't you draw it?
Ma'am, actually, I don't have white papers left. Blank
Bad.
papers.
Ibrahim has made so many comic strips that papers at his house are over now. All right. Now, you tell me, going to the previous slide, what do you think went wrong?
Ma'am, one is very sad Mona Lisa, second is very fat Mona Lisa, third is very ugly Mona Lisa.
Okay, ugly. Okay, those are some very harsh words, Hamza, right there. Don't use it on real life people. All right, they would feel sad and hurt about it. All right, so help these 3 kids understand why their paintings cannot be sold. How will you tell them?
Ma'am, the first
Gotta
one
be
is
polite.
correct,
Okay,
but they only need
First
to
one is
make it
correct.
a smile, ma'am.
okay, we have Humaira and Abdullah agreeing on one
And
point.
the
Saying the
eyes
first one
are
is
really-
almost right, but they just need to work on
Ma'am, the
smile.
first one is
And the
correct.
eyes-
Just put a smile on
And
them.
the first picture's eyes are really crunched and wrinkled. It should be a little bit open.
Okay, the eyes are a
Happy
little
face.
droopy. Okay, I get that. Aisha, very good. Let's move on to the second one. Come on. What went wrong? Why can't this painting not be
Fat.
sold? Fat.
Ma'am?
Mohammed Saqib, fat, and he muted himself. That's the only
Ma'am,
word.
it's like a balloon and they are just flown it and make a picture of it. See what happened in one of the pictures that I made myself? Someone edited it like a balloon and edited it to flow up and I was looking so fat. Like I was a real balloon.
Oh my God. Yes, you can do so many things with editing apps nowadays. What about the third one? Juveria.
Third one has very orange hair. Her eyes are, and ma'am, Mona Lisa does not have eyebrows. There's no eyebrows. And
Mona
she's a
Lisa
very-
doesn't have eyebrows, whereas... Okay, good observation, Hamza. Very good observation. Juveria, what do you think?
It's like a cartoon Mona Lisa.
Okay, it's not an original one. It's like a cartoon. And when it comes to...
Second Mona Lisa.
yes, and when I'm talking about originals, I tell you, why copy somebody else's work, right? Why don't we be original? Why shouldn't we create our own sketch of a woman that we want to? Okay, so if I ask you this question, if you had to create a lady's face, whose would you choose? Or which lady's face
will
would you
make
want to
our own-
sketch?
We will make our own face.
Okay, Aisha says a self-portrait. Very good, Aisha.
No, ma'am. Like
Ma'am,
we can
make your
design it
face.
in our way, like how we
Oh,
want to
Mela, she
design
would
it.
make my face. Oh my God,
I'll
my
make
face would
my
resemble the fat Mona Lisa. Yes,
I'll
Juveria.
make my mother's face.
Excellent. She would make her mother's face a very beautiful lady. Yes.
Ma'am, I was going to tell.
Okay, it's completely fine.
I
See,
would
you
make
don't
my
have the
whole
same
family.
mothers, right?
Ma'am,
But
I
it's
would
okay.
make my whole family on that, ma'am. What do we say? Canvas.
Okay, Abdullah, lady's face, Abdullah. I'm sure you and your father are not ladies.
Mom
So
and
can
my
I-
sisters.
Yes, your sisters and your mother, so I'll count them. Anas, how about you, child?
Ma'am, you know I have drawn a lady. Ma'am,
Thank
I have
you,
drawn a
Mela.
lady in my sketch and
I
I can
drew-
screen share. I can screen share it.
Okay, we'll come to that. We'll come to that. Okay, who's that lady? Does she resemble somebody?
Ma'am,
Or it's
Oh,
out
I
of
just
your own
drawed it.
imagination? Out
It's
of
my
your
own
own
imagination.
Wow, that's brilliant. Anas, over to you.
If you would give the permission.
My sister, ma'am.
Okay, Anas would make his sister. Muhammad Mamadi. Which lady's face would you make?
Ma'am, I would make my cat's face. I love her.
Ibrahim, you're talking for everybody, at everybody's chance, you know? Yes, Muhammad Mamadi. No? For
iPhone face.
iPhone, you wouldn't make a lady's face. All right, Rushda, how about you?
I'll do my friend's face.
Friend's face, that's excellent. Oh, Ibrahim is in space. All right, how about Yahya? Yahya, make Musfara's face.
Okay, ma'am.
No,
I will try
you
to
tell
make.
me. I was just suggesting, child. You tell me. I would really want to hear from you.
Ma'am, I will make ऐसी कुछ ही बना दूंगा.
Okay, fine. I have few suggestions for you. Let's first identify. Who's she? How many of you all can identify her?
She is the girl. She is the girl.
Yes, she's a girl. Very good. A young girl.
Maybe.
She's writing something.
And she had written a diary. She had written a diary.
in 6th or
Gina
7th
Leslie.
grade.
No, she has written a diary during the. She was present during the Hitler's time.
Anne Frank.
Yes, Juveria, that's right. It's Anne Frank. All right. Next, this is Maya Angelou. She's an activist, okay, for Black people, and she has written very good books. So she is also a very powerful and famous woman in history. Who's she?
Malala.
Malala Yousafzai.
We all know her. What? How do we know Malala? Who will tell me?
She fought
Because
for
she
women,
fought for the
girls' education.
education.
Perfect.
Ma'am,
Gender equality, goal number 5.
And also education, SDG. Yes.
Quality
Yahya.
education, goal number 4.
ma'am, she Malala's my.
How? Malala? What happened to her?
And ma'am, see her
He's
smile.
telling Malala's move.
Okay. Now, moving on. This lady right here is. Yes, it's Mary
Mary
Curie.
Curie.
Okay. And our Curie badge is named after her. All right. And it is said it is said that all her belongings, even after
Mr.
her death,
Lupin.
yes, they are radioactive. You know, her diary, her books. So everything is kept in a closed. What do we call it? I don't know.
Ma'am,
Some English word to
radium.
say. Yes, radium. She made radium, and it is all her things
even
are
polonium.
still radioactive. Yes, Juveria. All right. This is Margaret Thatcher. Yes, I did it right.
Ma'am,
She is
Ma'am,
called the
yes.
Iron Lady of the World. You know, she's called the Iron Lady of the World, and she was the former Prime Minister of Britain. Britain, yes. She was the
Great Britain.
Great Britain, right? And amazing lady, awesome. She held the office for 15 years. Okay, 3 times. She was the prime minister 3 times. She held the office for 15 years, 5 years.
Ma'am, I want to ask you, Master of Iron means what, ma'am?
Master of Iron.
You told na Iron Lady.
Iron Lady of the World. So this name was given to her by the Russians, all right? And the reason this name was given to her was she started, when she became the prime minister, the industry, the iron industry shot its prices, okay? So she came up with policies that helped the iron industry, and therefore it helped the economy of Great
Yes.
Britain. Yes. Ibrahim got bored.
Hola.
Okay. This, anybody recognizes her? No. She's not somebody's grandma.
Ma'am, she is maybe in Harry Potter.
No, she is not. She is Florence Nightingale, okay? And she is known to be a nurse who helped soldiers during the World War time. All right? So she would dress them. She
Ma'am,
would take
please
care of the
specify World
soldiers.
War 1 or 2.
2, I think. Yeah.
Yeah, 2
No,
is
no,
the
no.
famous.
One.
Okay.
Sorry.
Ma'am, tell first.
Ma'am,
Okay. This,
Ma'am.
you should recognize her. Come on.
Mother Teresa.
Thank
Mother
you,
Teresa.
Abdullah. She's Mother Teresa, a very noble woman.
Ma'am, beside Mother Teresa, it is Red Riding Hood, na ma'am.
Beside Mother Teresa is no Red Riding Hood. That's Florence Nightingale. Okay?
Ma'am, can I say?
Yes, Umar.
Ma'am, in World War One, the soldiers were lucky. Every day they used to eat French fries.
Okay, I wouldn't want to eat French fries every day, but yes, I get what you're saying. Okay, so that's Mother Teresa, and these are just few very famous women who are powerful and who've made their mark in the society and history. So, if I ask you, out of these, which one would you want to sketch? Who would it be?
First one.
No one.
First one, Humaira says Anne Frank. She would sketch Anne Frank. Okay.
Mary Curie.
Mary Curie. Juveria is for Mary Curie. How about others? Muhammad Saqib.
No one.
No one? Why is that, Muhammad?
Because we should not draw anything in Islam.
Okay, you shouldn't be making portraits in Islam. All right, I accept that. Abdullah, how about you?
But ma'am, I have a question from Mohammed Saqib. Then how did you draw the character portrait?
I drew it.
Character portrait, you are supposed to write, not draw.
No, we drawed also na, malab in the
We
story.
drew.
Yeah, we drew also na for the story, the character that he took.
I don't know whether
Raven
he
and-
drew Peter or no.
He drew Peter. He showed also, ma'am, that day when we
Acha.
drawed the character.
Okay.
Ma'am,
fine. You would draw the Iron Lady. Yahya said he would draw Margaret Thatcher. Okay. Abdullah, how about
Ma'am,
you?
I also.
Okay, the Rizwanis will draw the Iron Lady. Yes. You all are sitting. You all can see each other, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Abdullah, Anas, Muhammad Muhammadi, Umar. Yes, come on, unmute yourself and tell me.
Ma'am, I will draw my mother.
Still, you would draw your mother if I give you options only out of these women. Okay, I accept that. May I know why? They are such good women. Muhammad. Yeah, Muhammad Muhammadi.
What?
Which woman would you sketch out of these famous, amazing personalities?
Marie Curie.
Mary Curie. Okay, Marie nahi.
Marie Curie.
Though she is Marie, but
Ma'am,
let's not
Ma'am,
call her
either
Marie.
Marie
Let's
Curie,
not
Marie.
remind her soul that she is Marie. Yes. Okay, Rushta, how about you?
I would draw Anne Frank.
Anne Frank. Oh, that's lovely. Okay. Yes. Now everybody has a favorite cartoon
One
series.
thing I want to say.
Ma'am,
See
हाँ, go
Mother
ahead.
Teresa's ऊपर का cap. There is one stapler pin in it.
No, it's a safety pin or some attachment pin. How we attach our scarves with.
ma'am,
It's not stapler pin. It's not stapled to her skull. Don't worry, Abdullah. She's safe.
ma'am,
Yes, yeah.
what did Marie Curie do?
Marie Curie.
Yes, ma'am.
Jumeria will tell you. Jumeria, tell him what did Marie Curie do?
Ma'am, the Marie Curie is the World War One or the actress of.
Yes, Jumeria.
She's a scientist and then she invented polonium and radium.
There's your answer. Yeah, yeah. Okay. Therefore, her things are radioactive.
Ma'am, who is Marie Curie?
Choose Marie Curie
The
to draw.
second one, ma'am.
Okay.
second
Answer,
one.
yes. The second one is Marie Curie. All right. Now, all of us have a favorite cartoon series. Yes, you like cartoons? How many of you all like cartoons? Give me a thumbs up. Come on. Woohoo! Yes. So everybody will tell me. Starting from Mohammed Saqib, what's your favorite cartoon series? Come on, go ahead. Muhammad Saqib.
Tintin.
Huh? Tintin, the Adventures of Tintin?
Yes.
Oh, amazing. I used to watch that, you know. Abdullah.
Ma'am, you didn't put Tom and Jerry.
I'm sorry, Abdullah, but that's my favorite too. So is Tom and Jerry your
Ma'am,
favorite?
you don't put
Yes.
the Doraemon.
Doraemon. Okay, I'm sorry. I took this from the internet and it is one whole picture. Okay, so I apologize if your cartoons are missing. My cartoon is missing too. Anyway, okay, so Abdullah is for Tom and Jerry. Ibrahim.
Ma'am, I would.
Think and tell.
Ibrahim likes Powerpuff Girls.
Yay! Powerpuff Girls are good.
No, I don't
Right?
like that. I don't even know that. What is it? What
Why?
you told? What you told?
Powerpuff Girls are good.
Ma'am,
Okay, Rushda, how about you?
Ma'am, I like Odd Gods.
I like Oddbots too. Oh my god.
I just
Yes.
saw 2 episodes till now.
Oh, you should watch it, Ibrahim. It's amazing. Yes, Rushda.
I don't have a favorite cartoon.
Too bad, Rushda. Are you living your childhood? Anyway, all right. Humaira. Humaira said Doraemon. Humaira, is your favorite cartoon Doraemon?
no, ma'am.
Then?
Ma'am,
My favorite cartoon is
Doraemon.
Augie and the
Doraemon.
Cockroaches.
Hey, I used to love Augie and the Cockroaches, you know, and we used to watch. See, there was an English version, but me and my brother would specifically watch the
Ma'am,
Hindi
can
version.
I tell one more,
Why?
ma'am?
ma'am.
Because they used to imitate Sunny Deol and Shah
Ma'am,
Rukh Khan.
can I
Yes,
say
yes,
one
ma'am. I
more
also like in
cartoon?
Hindi.
Hannah,
can I
I
say
like in
Humaira.
only Hindi.
Yes,
can I
that's
say one
right.
cartoon
No,
more?
Ibrahim, your chance is done.
So,
Yeah.
Ma'am, can I say?
Yes, yeah. Go ahead.
Ma'am, my is Pink Panther, Augie and the Cockroaches. Ma'am, I used to see that Augie and the Cockroaches, Dick and Sacco. I
What's your
also
present? Okay, so you have to tell me your current
Pink
favorite.
Panther.
Pink
Pink
Panther.
Panther.
Awesome. Anas, over to you. Anas,
my brother
we'll let
is
Anas.
Pink Panther.
Anas is Shiver and Shine.
Pink Panther, Anas, you too?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh,
Ma'am,
you
my
and Yaya
brother
should high five
Pink
each other.
Panther.
Yes, Mohammed Mohammadi, coming to you.
Ma'am, my brother see Pink
What?
Panther.
Oh, that's amazing, Humaira. Yeah?
The
Mohammed.
Amazing World of Gumball.
The
World of
ama-
Gumball.
the
मैम
amazing-
इधर ही है, इधर देखो दो है ना, एक कैट एक फिश है, ऑरेंज कलर के, एक ब्लू एक ऑरेंज.
Ha. This?
the
Okay, they seem cute. All right, Jumeria, how about you?
I like all the animation movies.
Hey, you are just like me. If it is animation, I would love to watch that movie, be it anyhow.
Ma'am, did you see Kung Fu Panda?
Oh, did you see
Yeah.
Kung Fu Panda? Means
I
what?
saw
I am
1,
a
2,
big
3.
fan of Kung Fu Panda. What are you
I
talking
saw all
about?
the 3 movies.
I relate to Po like no other.
What part of
Came and go.
Mine is the Dragon Warrior part. I love dumplings. I am fat. I look like a panda. So that's completely fine. Umar,
And
yes.
in all the three movies, the enemies keep changing. Like in the first, there
Yes,
is
yes.
that
Tai Long.
Tai Lung, and then
Ganesh.
second is Shen,
Yes,
that
yes.
Wuxi finger,
Ha 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 ha.
and then the third is that buffalo. What is his name?
True, true.
Kai.
I don't remember.
Kai,
Okay.
Kai, Kai.
Kai, Kai.
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 Yes.
I just saw the first and the third one. I'm not missed the
Too
second.
bad. You gotta watch. You gotta watch all series of Kung Fu Panda. So it's the weekend, guys. Go ahead and watch.
I
Kung Fu
just
Panda,
watched
alright?
1 and 2 first.
Not yet downloaded, ma'am.
All right,
Busy.
Umar. We let Umar
So
speak.
all.
We let Umar speak. Umar, what's your favorite cartoon?
Beyblade, Metal Fury, and Idaten Jump.
Hey, I used to watch Beyblade. Oh my god. And the craze we had. So, you know, there is a stadium for Beyblade where they put the Beyblades and it plays. We used to use tubs during the time. And we would imagine it to be the stadium of the Beyblade, put up Beyblades and it would just go fighting and all that. Wow. I also used to watch Pokemon. How many Pokemon fans over here?
Ma'am, ma'am, you know now we used to collect cards.
Yeah, the cards,
Yes.
I know. I feel so bad for confiscating those
I
cards,
don't
but
have
you guys
the
had no
cards.
control.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I don't have.
We would even sell them.
Yes, we used
Oh
to
my
make
God.
deals with that card.
Business, there he is with his collection
Barter
of Pokemon
system.
cards. Yes,
Barter
Muhammad
system.
Muhammad.
Ma'am, I
I
even
gave,
have
ma'am,
them.
I gave
got
all
brain
to
jump.
Ali. Ma'am, when the
Ma'am,
school
I
was
don't
ending,
have
I
that
gave
cards.
all my cards to Ali. I had
It's
3
okay,
Ma'am,
Humera.
I don't have that
It's okay,
card.
Humera. So what they do is these boys, they play Pokemon cards and they bet on the card. If I win, I get this card of yours. So that's how they increase their collection. They buy it also and they sell it also. So business studies right over here with Pokemon
Ma'am,
cards.
Ma'am, and the last day I gave all the cards to everyone who wants they will take.
How could
Oh,
you?
you have till now, Yahya. What
I
a guy,
gave
huh?
all my cards. I had 365 cards. I gave them all to Ali.
Ma'am, I
And then
gave.
Rude girl?
Who told you to give?
Ma'am,
Give.
I gave.
Give. I never give.
Mama,
Me
not
too.
them.
Ma'am, I also never gave. I have it till now.
Okay.
Ma'am, I gave my VIP card to Abdullah.
Ma'am, this is for you.
Thank you so much, Humera. That's a
Yeah,
lovely
you
flower.
have. You would give to me the
It's a brooch.
Ma'am, I just have evolution cards. Many of evolution cards.
Okay. All right. Can you
I'm yet to
identify?
finish the
Acha,
trainer
okay.
cards.
Sorry. My bad. I introduced Pokemon. My bad. All right. I gotta suffer. Okay. How many cartoons from this picture can you identify? Go ahead.
SpongeBob, Spider-Man, Mario.
Spider-Man.
Mario.
And
Okay.
Mario.
So I can identify Phineas and Ferb, Dexter, Powerpuff Girls, Spider-Man,
And then-
SpongeBob SquarePants,
Romeo.
Mario.
Ma'am, that rabbit also. I
I
forgot his name.
The bunny rabbit, baby Looney Tunes. Okay, and this Ed and Eddie. Okay, this guy. This is Sailor Moon. All right, and she is from Ben 10. Okay.
Yeah, I know
and-
that. I forgot her name, but she's a Sathi.
Yeah, that's it. Okay. All right.
Behind her, there is a blade.
Who is your favorite cartoon character? Tell me.
Augie.
Augie. Humera said Augie. Okay. Aisha Kazi.
Tintin.
Tigress.
Tigress is your favorite cartoon character. That's amazing. Okay. Tintin. Mohammed Saqib said Tintin. Okay. Yes.
Tom.
Umar.
Ma'am, Tom.
Oh. Huh? Sorry, Umar.
Ma'am, I have two from series.
Okay, you need to understand. Cartoon series is different. Like the whole of cartoon. And cartoon character is different. Okay, it's one specific character that you like from the like in Doraemon. Maybe Doraemon में से Shizuka is Shizuka and Doraemon?
Yes, ma'am.
See, sorry.
Ma'am, can I tell my character?
Pink Panther, ma'am.
Ma'am, my is move. My is move. Move.
Move.
Yes, move. Move.
What's his name, Rushda?
Ma'am, and the Beyblade.
He or her, I don't know. Whoever. The little one beside you. What's his name? Isa. Wow. Hi, Isa.
Ma'am, Raven. Ma'am, my character Raven.
From the real cartoon series, Muhammad.
Ma'am,
that was a real story.
Ma'am, Raven isn't real, ma'am.
Gina.
Yes.
Umar, you said Gina.
Little Teen Titans Go.
See, I can't hear Umar. If you keep on talking, I can't hear
From
him.
DC. I like also Annabella.
Annabella is not a cartoon character. Danger character it is. Yes.
I'm Jinga.
Who?
Jinga. I'm hero also.
Jinga is a cartoon character.
Who is Jinga now?
Hey, you are just fooling around with me. Jinga, the other one will say paplet, the other one will say surmai, and then it will be a fish market. Let's stop right there. Before you get out of control, blah blah blah. Okay, what is a challenge for you? Can you draw an imaginary character?
Yes,
An
ma'am.
imaginary cartoon character.
But not ditto, ma'am.
No. Imaginary. It doesn't have to be same like the existing cartoon character. That's the gist. That's the whole purpose. Okay, that's the highlight. And here are some helpful hints for you. Okay, so you guys can look at these hints. Quickly, I give you 2 minutes time.
Sorry.
Grab a paper. Muhammad Saqib, I understand. And I respect
Ma'am,
that.
in the English
It's
book,
okay, you don't have to repeat it
can
again.
we do it in the SDG section?
Yeah, go ahead. Do it in the SDG section. And I give you 2 minutes time. Draw an imaginary cartoon character of your own. All right? It shouldn't resemble any cartoon characters as of yet.
What is your last example?
Here are the helpful hints. Yes, Anas?
Ma'am, what is your last example mean? Where does
the character live? It could live in the space, it could live in Bethlehem City, it could live anywhere. It could, your cartoon character, if it's a rat, it could live in a, sewage pipe. Okay? So
Ma'am, it
go
was
ahead.
our own character or someone.
No. Let's be original. Do not take it from anybody. Let's be original and make one of our own. Okay?
Ma'am,
You drew, Umar. You finished drawing. How about you show me?
Ma'am, I don't have cartoon series, but I can make a movie by that.
No, I just want you. So understand this. I just want you to make one cartoon character, an imaginary character. Okay. Yes, Umar. I saw that. What would you name it? What is it, Umar? Is it an animal, bird, or a human?
Ma'am, it's a elf.
It's an elf. Okay, amazing. And is your character strong or weak?
Ma'am, weak.
Weak. Okay. And it resembles the
Ma'am,
elf.
should we draw our own character or we have to take?
What color does your character like? No, draw your own character. Let's be original. That's what I'm talking about.
Green, ma'am.
Green. Oh, that's excellent. And where does the character live, Umar?
Ma'am, in rainbow.
Rainbow. That's excellent. Okay. All right. So how about you consider these hints and draw a cartoon character? Let me see all the Walt Disneys and the Stanleys coming out from this class. Come on. Go ahead. This is exactly how children, the Pixar, the Walt Disney works. You know, they make their own characters and you have the hints with you.
Ma'am, nobody spoke about Lightning McQueen.
Lightning McQueen. Why shouldn't we speak about him? I was once a fan of cars, you know. I used to collect all the stickers. I had watched the movie. I was crazy about
Ma'am,
it.
I watched
Ma'am, do you know Jackson Storm?
to
Oh.
watch.
Jackson Storm.
No.
He comes in Lightning McQueen, the third movie.
The third.
Oh, the third
The third
part.
part.
No. I think I've seen only the first part.
I
Because
have
during that time when I was a fan, the first, I mean, cards had just like, come, the first part had come. So
Ma'am,
I went all crazy.
seen one.
Huh, Umar?
I have watched the first and the second.
Okay. I have to watch the second part. How many parts are there in all?
Huh?
3.
3, ma'am. 3.
Three
The
men.
third one is not that good, but the second and the first one is very nice.
Yes, and the second one is from the spy one.
Yeah. They go in London.
Yeah. Let's draw. Ibrahim will be like, ma'am, why are you troubling me? Ibrahim, I don't mean to be rude, okay? I'm just on a lighter note.
Do not disturb Mr. Hussain to draw from.
Sorry, Mr. Hussain. Anas, are you drawing? Huh? Playing games, ke drawing?
Drawing.
You don't have to search, okay? Don't search for characters. Make one of your own. See, Umar's character is too good. Though there are plenty of elves, though there are plenty of animated elves, but Umar's stands out. It's a stick man.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am,
yes.
I have made.
Go ahead. Show me.
Can you see it?
I also made.
No, I can't see.
Ma'am, this is the front part. He has a move.
Huh.
Here is
Wearing a raincoat?
No, ma'am. He's in space.
Face. Okay.
And then here, this picture got takla. And here, there is a villain. कुछ तो है उसका नाम पता नहीं. And he captures the planet and it makes a small ball. So it takes it in from here. It takes it in from here and if you press a button, then it will come out and be a big planet. And here,
Oh.
and this is a teleporter, so he can go anywhere.
Ma'am,
Wow. Yeah. That's a very detailed
Oh, can
character,
you see
cartoon
mine?
character.
ma'am, it's
Show
all-
Anas. No, I cannot see. नहीं दिख रहा कुछ. Anas. Number 1 on the jersey. Yes.
His
Okay.
favorite color is blue.
Very good. And where does he live, Anas?
In space.
That's right.
Ma'am,
Okay. About
ma'am,
time's up. It's beyond
Ma'am,
minutes
Ma'am,
now.
can I show my character?
ma'am, he wears white.
Yes,
can
go
I
ahead.
show?
Aisha, show me your character. Go ahead.
Alfia ma'am, I draw lightning
Uh,
McQueen.
My character is this.
Okay, it's definitely a human, a very pretty girl. All
She's
right.
a girl and she loves birds. So she has already a bird stuck to her shoulder and she never
Bird
leaves
woman.
it. And the
Birdie,
bird
birdie.
is very weak and scared of many small things like
So
bugs.
she's
and
like a
everything.
protector. She's like a guardian to the bird.
Yeah,
है ना?
she keeps encouraging her bird so that he can become fearless.
Wow, that's amazing. Muhammad Mohammadi. If you don't participate in that painting now, this contest that is coming up,
show my?
I will personally come to your house. It is
Ma'am,
mind blowing, Muhammad. It's mind blowing. That is, you are my Walt Disney right there.
Ma'am, can you see? Ma'am,
can I show
mine?
Ma'am, his
Ma'am,
chest.
can I show my?
Let Muhammad talk. Let Muhammad talk.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
his chest is a military tank.
Wow.
Ma'am, this is
After Muhammad, can I
That
show?
is a military. That's some detail, bro. Whoa, yes. Now.
ma'am.
Ma'am, can
Oh, Hamza, a dragon, Hamza. That's amazing. It resembles a Pokemon dragon. Anyway, yes, Ibrahim, show. Don't get irritated, Ibrahim. I'm sorry.
Ma'am, see, this is mine character. His name is Louis the Broccoli the 14th.
It's
And
looking
he
like Groot.
no, ma'am. And he has a sword and he has a monster.
Louis the 14th reminds of the French
Louis the
Revolution.
Broccoli the 14th. And here is his monster.
Okay.
Lancelot.
Dragon Slayer. The
He
Dragon
can
Monster
fire.
Slayer.
He can fire crossbeam.
Oh. Okay. Juveria, where are you? Oh, there she is. I couldn't see anybody, only the backrest of the chair. I was wondering where Juveria is. But she got up and was like, Okay, Juveria. Sure, go ahead. Show me. Let's move on. You know, there is a new 2020 new superhero in the market. How many of y'all are aware of that? A Marvel superhero. A new superhero in the market. Yes. Oh, sorry.
The Chinese superhero, ma'am, in Marvel. New
Eh?
superhero came. Yes,
What
ma'am.
is his-
In
what's the
Marvel
name?
Avengers. In Avengers, new superhero.
What's
came.
the name?
कुछ चो करके चो या something. Yes, ma'am.
No, I'll tell you.
Ma'am, see one video. Marvel Avengers has a new character.
So 2020, Miss Marvel introduces a new superhero, new character in her comic, and he is known as Amulet. Okay, so this is the latest superhero that Marvel has introduced of 2020. This is Amulet. He is an Arab American.
Mrs.
Alright.
Marvel.
Miss Marvel. All right.
Ma'am, you know, ma'am,
This is what Amulet is about. Okay, so he's casual wear. I mean, I take him as a football player.
Ma'am, can you write the spelling?
Amulet. A-M-U-L-E-T. A-M-U-L-E-t. Okay.
Ma'am, you know.
Ma'am in chat.
Sorry, I'll write.
Ma'am, can I say something, ma'am?
You guys have spoken too much. Yeah.
Ma'am, my uncle plays a game of Marvel. That name is
Contest of Champions.
Marvel, and in this Mrs. Marvel is there. It is a new character.
Yes.
Ma'am.
Okay. Yeah.
Ma'am, that's my Abu.
Okay. All right. And do you guys know who is the most famous superhero of 2020?
Mrs. Marvel.
No. It's not a Marvel character. It's a DC character. A DC character. Top में that super is top में चल रहा है आजकल. You know, it's an old superhero.
Superman.
Yes, Superman is the most famous superhero of 2020. I don't know how and why. Batman comes second and Superman is on top right now. And
Ma'am, who is third?
I don't know.
Wonder Woman, and then Aquaman, then Flash.
No, Iron Man. Keep quiet. Aquaman.
I'm talking about a DC.
Okay.
T-com.
And Amulet, I searched for you. I specifically searched for you that Amulet is the latest superhero. All right. And
Ma'am.
yes, go ahead.
Ma'am, see.
Do you identify him?
Yes.
Yes. What's the name?
Shazam.
Okay. So, what do you think, children? These cartoons, do they have a message? Yes. The cartoons that we see, your favorite cartoons we discussed about the favorite character. You drew one. Do you think cartoons carry a message?
Of course.
Yes. If you agree, give me a thumbs up.
I'll give you a reaction thumbs up.
Okay, fine. What message does your favorite cartoon character carry?
Do cycling every day.
Cycling every day. Perfect. So stay
My
fit.
character says that we should never give up.
We should never give up. Excellent. Aisha Kazi, how
My character says the same. We should never give up because Tom always
keeps on
goes to catch
chasing.
Jerry.
Yes. Okay.
My
Aisha Kazi.
character lost one time
And
with a
my
hero, but he
character
didn't give up.
As the message that you should be fearless.
Okay, you should be fearless. Excellent. How about others? Hamza, where
Ma'am.
are you there with me?
Ma'am.
Hamza, what message does your character give?
My character gives three messages. First,
Go
is
ahead.
you to never. Second, is you to trust in yourself. Third is never see who is stronger and who is lighter. Even in
Perfect. Do not judge. Yeah, go ahead.
Acha, ma'am.
Yes, Umar.
Ma'am, see my.
Yes, good work, Umar. Yes,
Ma'am.
Shania, tell me.
Ma'am, mine is never be sad or then you will be lose.
Okay. Do not be sad. Never be sad or you might lose. You know, Shazam. Yes, everybody knows Shazam. He is a character from the DC comics. All right. And there is a message behind his name itself. How many letters does his name have?
6.
SHAZAM. Each letter denotes something. Okay, so let's see what it is. The S stands for solid. Okay, so his letters have been taken as inspiration from the ancient heroes, okay, of the past. And Solomon, you must know him as Sulaiman alayhi salam.
Sulaiman alayhi salam.
Yes. All right. So he is known for his wisdom. Solomon was known for his wisdom. So S in the Shazam is for Solomon. He is as wise as Solomon. H is for Hercules. Okay, Hercules is known for his strength. And A is Achilles, is for his courage. These are the Greek gods, if you remember. Okay, Z is for Zeus. Yes, Zeus. All right. And Zeus is known for having power of control. Okay, he is like the head of the gods. And then there is Atlas. Atlas is known for its stamina. All right. And M for Mercury, speed. Yes. So now you see what Shazam actually means. Wisdom, strength, courage, power, stamina, and speed. Each indicating the hero of their own quality. Agreed? Isn't it interesting? Yes or no? Give me a thumbs up if it's interesting. You know, each cartoon has a message. How about you go ahead and you find something very unique?
Ma'am,
like how
can
we
you,
did in
ma'am, can you screen share? And I want to write that.
what?
Cartoon shares life skills.
Huh?
The Gumball, Amazing World of Gumball में ना it shares life skills.
Really?
हाँ, in Netflix ना there is ना it बताता है ना life skills, entertainment and.
Acha. So I'll go and I'll search that. Netflix. There is a category of life skills.
No. When you just put your mouse का जो होता है ना ये क्या है ये? तो घूमते रहता है, click करते थे.
Cursor.
This.
Cursor. We just need to put the cursor on it and then it will show नीचे. मतलब ऐसे बड़ा होता है ना नीचे से आता है.
Mohammed, send me the screenshots. Message me on WhatsApp. Okay, what you're saying. I cannot understand right now. All right. And with this, I leave you. I'm not giving you any homework, but go ahead, watch cartoon movies. Yes.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye. See you.
Bye.
Ma'am,
Take care.
ma'am, please wait now. I'm drawing another one.
Only 1 minute's time you have. Umera.
Okay, ma'am.
Others go. Shushu.
Bye, ma'am.
5 minutes.
Bye, ma'am.
Assalamualaikum.
Bye.
Bye. Hey, Mohammed, you can show me in the meantime. You can share the screen and show me the thing you were
Wait, ma'am.
talking about. Yeah.
हमने खबर से शेयर करता है.
खबर से मैंने खबर से.
हैं? अच्छा.
Everybody's fine. gumball.
Hey.
Okay.
Who was doing this? Wait,
What? Nobody is doing anything.
ma'am, someone is Thank you. No, no one will annotate.
Acha, somebody was annotating.
Ma'am,
हाँ.
ma'am मैंने देखा.
Welcome to my 5-step program.
Sure, Humaira. हाँ. Wow. Wow, Humaira. That's amazing. Looks like a Powerpuff Girl.
Yes,
Awesome.
ma'am. He is only powerful girl.
Oh, you drew a Powerpuff Girl. Excellent. Okay, go ahead.
What's that? It's when you channel all your rage into a violent vocal release, like this. Ah! You guys try.
I don't
Yeah,
think
तू करे थे
मेरे पास
मोहम्मद.
उसका टिफिन भी है. टिफिन बॉक्स भी है.
If it's new, like this, Alvin and the Chipmunks.
हाँ,
देखो मैं
what?
खाता है. नहीं. अरे यार मैं सब देखा हुआ है. ये मैंने देखा. हाँ. ये. देखो मैं साथ है ना. Action, friendship, family.
हाँ. Categories. Okay, the genre. हाँ. Okay.
Like that. वैसे ही इसमें आता है. पर मैं देखा हूँ.
Okay. Got it. ठीक है. I understood. All right. Bye. Take care.
Bye, ma'am.